Okay, so question 9. It is given, consider a transformation T. It converts R3 to R2, a 3-dimensional to 2-dimensional. What is R3 and R2? R3 and R2 are represented by 3 and 2-dimensional real column vectors. Means it's a column vector, both are column vector. One is 3-dimensional and one is 2-dimensional, and they are consist of real values. Okay, so 3-dimensional column vector is converting into 2-dimensional column vector, and also it is given T of x is equal to A of x. Means some matrix A will take the R3 vectors and multiply them and make it R2 vector. Okay, so for each x in R3, how many rows and columns does A have, and what is the maximum possible rank of A? The options are R is equal to 3, C is equal to 2, means row is equal to 3, column is equal to 2, rank is equal to 3. B is R is equal to 3, C is equal to 2, rank is equal to 2. C is R is equal to 2, C equal to 3, rank is equal to 2. D is R equal to 2, C equal to 3, rank equal to 3. Okay, so just take solution is take this scenario. So we have real quantities R1, R2, R3, and it's a 3-dimensional vector. It is multiplying with a matrix. This is your A matrix, and it is converting into a 2-dimensional vector. Okay, all the quantities are real. Now you have to decide this matrix A, its row and columns and its rank, so that this vector will multiply with this A and it will transform into a vector, 2-dimensional vector. Okay, mind you, all the quantities are real. We are not interested in the exact quantities. We have to just play with the dimensions, because we are asked to tell columns and rows. So 3 cross 1, there is only one column, 3 rows. Here 2 rows, 1 column. Okay, 1 column, 2 rows, 1 column, 3 rows. Okay, so whatever the values will be inside A, its size should be 2 cross 3. Why 2 cross 3? Because 3 will get cancelled and 2 cross 1 we will get at the output. Okay, and we want a 2-dimensional vector, so that's why it should contain 3 column and 2 rows. Now we have two options, C and D. So the rank should be full rank, because then only it will give 2 values inside 2 cross 1 vector. Like this, T1 is equal to A1 R1 plus A2 R2 plus A3 R3. T2 is A4 R1, A5 R2, A6 R3. Okay, we are not interested in the inside values. We just have to play with the dimension. So once we got the dimension, we are telling full rank, because if it will have less than full rank, means if it will have one rank is equal to 1, then this row will be full 0. No elements will be present in this row. All will be 0, 0, 0. And in that case, we won't be having T2, because this term will be 0. Okay, sorry. So according to this question, the answer should be C. Row is equal to 2, column is equal to 3, and the rank should be equal to full rank 2. Okay, so this should be the property of A. C should be the answer.